So I'm about to go see if I can get you some breakfast real quick, y'all. I don't even know what time it is right now, but I'm going to see what I can get real quick because I'm hungry hippo for sure. Could I get some scrambled eggs, potatoes? Is that French toast? Yes, in the French toast, and that's it. About 2 or 3. Yes. All right. Appreciate you. All right. Oops, sorry. Let's see what we got here. French toast, everything. Alright guys, so that's what I have the utensils on the table, but let's see. I don't see anything. Some on the table, but we'll see. Damn it. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, man. Okay. 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 All right. Oh, man. I didn't notice that. Okay. Thank you. So, I don't know if the camera caught that. So, the birds got my food. So, don't sit your food down. That is crazy. So, the birds just got my food, so I had to go back through the line again and get everything all over again. I got up to get a fork, and she's like, oh my God, they got your food. She taking it away now. Goddamn birds, man. But they got these little tops on it. The little tops out there? Yeah. So, if you walk away from the table, just put the top on it. Yeah. Hey, learn a lesson. Learn a lesson. It's a learning lesson for sure. That is funny. Hey, yo, I'm really about to smash I'm about to smash. I didn't know you had birds. I'm sitting at that table over there with the orange juice. I wanted to get some eggs, but I guess yeah. Okay, omelets, no meat in it?
We'll have vegetables and ham and cheese.
Okay, get the vegetable one, yeah. And potatoes? Yeah, I don't eat meat, so yes, sir. And French toast? My bad if I'm cutting your line. Hey, don't sit your food down. The birds gonna get it. Hey, they got me. Yes, she told me, yeah. All I can do is laugh about it. I I literally turned around to go get it. She's like, yeah, boy. Hey, I love animals, so hey, all I can do is laugh about it. If it was a human, I'd be like, what are you doing? Yes, yesterday, yes. I'm originally from Baltimore, but I live in Florida now. Yeah, we working on the Navy ships, so we go wherever they go. Yeah, so we'll be here for 3 weeks. Yeah, so they got us quarantined for 2 weeks, and then we work 4 days, and then we leave like 2 days after that. Oh yeah? That's dope, what's out of town or anything? Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. That's even better. Yes, I got you. Yes, sir. All right, have a good one. All right. I think I already got orange juice over there. Yeah, I think I did. No, ma'am. Thank you. All right, guys. So I did get my food. As you can see, I got a nice omelet. Oh, yeah.
Tonight or something, on my own time, go to the gym.
All right, so this looks pretty good, man. So veggie omelet. We got some potatoes and these look like tater tots. That's tater tots, right? Yeah. Okay, that's tater tots, and that is French toast there. All right, let's see how this food is here. I got my first plate. I wonder if they saw a camera. I gotta check my camera because I placed my camera down and walked away. It might be on the. It might be on there.
No.
Oh, my girl, she different. She different, boy. You got to get to that level, sir. Hey, let me tell you something. Keep it 100 with your girl all the time, and you'll get there. Well, I went in my room. I'm tired. I'm gonna come back out.
I took a shower.
Once I shut my door, that was it.
My first time getting drunk was 2 summers ago. My friend,
I keep forgetting y'all younger. I keep forgetting.
And then, because I was up north, right? Because we got a house up north. And it was just me by myself. I wanted to go visit, see like my homeboys and stuff. So I had the house to myself, and I threw a house party with a couple people, and I was trying like my boys brought some girls over and everything. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. We was all in in my room. It's a room, and I had my bed. The AC was on there, so it was all vibing.
That's dope.
Man, when I got up. I'm like, oh shit.
Like, but you can see
What the fuck? Man, it was to the point my pants even fell and I was just like, they were like, what is this? And now I knew what was going on, but it was my first time drinking, so it's like, dang, like, this shit really got to me. Bro, oh my God, the girl ran up to the room, I opened the door.
Hey!
Oh my goodness.
Oh, put it on. I got you. You almost, you just got, sir.
You need your food down. The birds don't come and get you.
Can't leave your food. These birds here are freaking ruthless, like crazy ruthless. I don't know how to explain it.
Throw it away.
Huh. My girl know me. That's what my girl said. Send me some pictures of them big. I said, all right, you know. You know me. I'm 35 years old, bro.
Yeah, you're still young.
I ain't got no time to be sugarcoating and all that. I've known my girl since I was. I got a 17-year-old kid with her. Like, I don't try to be lying to you.
Dang, bro, I forgot you was here. Bro, I be forgetting you, bro. You need to stop ducking, bro.
It's beautiful out here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. One of the best things in the world is to be able to get paid and sit on the fucking beach. You get paid to sit on the beach right now, bro. Like, come on, man. What kind of life is this, man? Blessings, man. That's for sure. You know what I'm saying? So you could do like vlogging and shit, like, yeah, what's going on? And it looked like somebody. You know what I'm saying?
Nobody doing it.
And nobody doing it. And look, and once I get off the screen, then. All right, y'all. So me and my man Christian out here acting a fool, boy. So now I'm showing him how to use this gimbal. Should you try to do some YouTube, right?
Yeah.
To be honest, yo, like YouTube is like, it's really your own game.
Yeah.
And that's why I love YouTube. Like it's like, of course you gotta follow their guidelines, but certain, but like for the most part, man, you can do whatever you want on YouTube. It's like one of the best platforms ever, man, to do whatever you want. Like I said, you don't even need necessarily a camera. Yeah. You get a GoPro. It just depends on what you're trying to shoot. Yeah. I can show you pictures off of this camera. You're like, damn, what you shoot that on? You're like, that came from a camera? Yeah. So it just all depends. At most part, I used to use this for like vlogging, but I noticed like I get a lot of attention with this, more or less than with the other shit. The other stuff I don't get that much attention with. But this, I get so much attention with this shit. They be like, yo, what's that? You know what I'm saying? Because it look like it's some expensive shit. Get like little shots, B-roll. Yeah. I try to get a lot of like behind the scenes footage, a lot of B-roll, because it's a grind. Look, he already got, what's that, a mojito?
No, my bad.
Oh. Oh, all right, yeah. I was waiting till like 12 to get my drink. You know what I mean? I need a pina colada for sure.
He recommended that, but I don't.
Woo, that's my shit right there. Y'all hear that? Pina colada, Jordan? Yeah, like for me, cause I vlog everything. If you look at my page and all that stuff, man, me and my homegirl be talking about some shit. If some shit I got cut out cause she be talking about her baby father so bad, I'm like, yo, let me cut this shit out. I'm like, yeah, you can't be bashing niggas on my shit like that. Exact. Make the stallion them do enough of that.
I seen a meme thing. It said, what world can a black man live in? The police don't like him. Half the time, black women don't like him. The white women scared of him. The black man scared of him.
That's a fact. That's a fact. Christian about to get taken away. What you drinking, Miss Janice? You got pina colada? You got pina colada, Miss Janice? It's good? Yeah. I'm about to give you one. It look like there ain't that many, too many people here, but so they gave us a complimentary welcome drink, I guess. So definitely gonna be using that real soon. About to go grab me a pina colada. We just came from the beach. I already hate waiting, man. These damn masks. Y'all about to drink? Yeah. I ain't know it was gonna be this damn hot.
Me either. I didn't bring none.
Oh, ain't none at all?
Left those all on my table.
Hey, buddy.
What's that you know? Take my phone. Hey, buddy.
Oh, it's another one.
Where he at? Oh shit, there you go. He even bigger. Oh. Hey, what's up? What's up, shorty? What's up, shorty? Hey, shorty. He used to people.
Huh?
He definitely used to people. That looks sexy.
It's what my grandfather used to call the perfect drink.
That looks sexy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all look at the Janices? I said, oh. Yeah, the slide door. I wanted to keep it open, but I didn't know how the mosquitoes was. Yeah. I'm gonna try it tonight. Ah, perfect. Look at that. Look at that, my man. Pina colada. I don't like these, what you call it, straws. So they got these paper straws. Ugh. This is refreshing. And you know, in Florida, those are illegal. The red air sliders. It's a pretty ass koi, man. Ooh.
This fish right
Hey, look,
there,
they got hella shit to eat. All the mosquitoes and all that shit. They gonna eat all that
that
shit.
fish right there alone over $1,000.
Yup. Maybe even more.
Yeah.
Maybe
That
even
white
more.
one? Yeah. White one.
Yup. No joke. Yo, he coming. Oh my God, he coming. Oh shit, I'm scared. Oh shit, I'm scared. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, what if he jump over here? How you gonna? I'm gonna say I'm scared. I'm still right here. Shit.
How could I love you when I'm on it? How could I love you in the evening? But your heart too heavy, oh. How could I love you when I'm on it? How could I love you in the evening? But your heart too heavy, oh. Easier to make a change, easier said than done. Easier holding on, easy to lose that one. Easy to make a change, easier said than done. Easy to hold on, easy to lose that one.